Hey there, I'm Dr. Dan Farkas, and I am the Clinic Director of Back to Health Natural Solutions here in Troy. And I'm reaching out to you special today to invite you to something that we do here, which it's our in-office workshop. There's nothing like being present in person, to sit down, to get questions answered, to absorb the concepts about what it is that we do here. Our approach is to find the source of what we call sensitivities, deficiencies, and toxicities. Sensitivities, which are particularly food sensitivities that cause inflammation, that can lead to problems like ADHD, thyroid problems, fatigue, digestion problems, sleep problems, brain fog, low energy, digestion issues. Deficiencies, micronutrient deficiencies that cause cravings, that cause our body to not function properly, to make it so that for all our effort and all our trying, that our systems just don't work because they don't have the crucial micronutrients that we need. And then finally, toxicities. You know, it's a just crazy toxic world out there. Even things that look healthy, that are advertised as healthy, have toxicity in them, just like diet soda, for example. It has things that are neurotoxic in it. The artificial sweeteners that were created in labs in order to save us all from diabetes and high blood sugar are now killing our brains, actually. So sensitivities, deficiencies, and toxicities, and how they apply to your health issues, whether you're really sick, really suffering, and you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, or you're extremely healthy and extremely well, and you say, look, I'm doing great, but I want to figure out how I can perpetuate this. I want it to be like this forever. And inborn health for life is a right. And I believe that with the right knowledge base, that you can become independent. That's our goal here, is to make people, to empower people to become independent, then so that they can go and help others. Our goal is to help as many people as possible using natural solutions and empower them to help others. But I got to tell you, there's nothing like coming and sitting down in person and listening. We usually do them most weeks. They're on Thursdays from just 6:30 till 7 with some questions afterward. In that short period of time, we pack this with information and strategies that you can start to use right now in order to find out what is robbing you of your health, whether it be ADHD in an adult, in a child, autoimmune problems, lupus, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic pain, chronic low energy, stubborn weight loss. Is just so many questions we get about that. Stubborn weight loss, brain fog, food cravings, just and on and on and on. We encourage you to bring a friend, bring a notebook, bring your questions, write questions down, get your questions answered. We want people to leave empowered and stronger, and knowledge is power. So, if you have a question or concern, please reach out to us. The link to register yourself, to RSVP yourself and a guest. We always suggest bring a guest so you guys can talk afterward and share information, and that's how we grow and grow connections too as well. Bring a guest, bring as many guests as you want, but we do ask you to RSVP because seating is limited sometimes, and we like to plan ahead and make sure that we have enough materials for people. So if you find this to be of value, if you know somebody that needs this, please share this with them. That's what life is about. We found taking care of people, sharing information, and spreading the word about this, because people just don't know this. People are suffering. We all know 200 individual people are sick, people are suffering. They don't know about this. We'd love to have you come and join us. There's no cost or no obligation at all. It's just information. If it looks like we can help you, if it looks like we're the right outfit to possibly help you, we'll be able to let you know too. So I'm really glad that you stuck it out this far. I'm glad that you watched this and to the end. Please look below, look around this video. There's a link, and we hope that we can change your health, improve your health, and those that are close to you. Thanks for watching.